Good morning, KubeCon. I'm moving from one side to another of this venue and try to get to one room. The venue is quite massive and there are so many people moving around, but the quality of the presentation is very high and there's a lot of big company around. So I'm pretty excited and pretty satisfied by everything. It's very nice that we are bumping on each other with people that I met on the Cube train, people that I used to work in the past, and everybody's asking me about the latest book, Kubernetes Recipes. So if you didn't do, check it out because it's super interesting. And me and my co-author will be also hosted in a podcast later on today. We're gonna record some content and share some insight about it. And I'm arrived to the home, and surprisingly, there's not a lot of queue. Let me go inside. See you later.